Hello, I'm back. This time I'm going to be solving most of the even problems on your study guide. We will be reviewing this tomorrow in class, but hopefully you will have time to look at this tonight. Okay, the first section is one-step equations. We can use an undo table, or we can simply move the constants to the other side of the equal sign so that the variable is by itself. Remember to add the opposite. So we need to move this 33, sorry, I'm not in focus, to the other side. So since it's a minus, we add 33 to both sides. Negative 58 plus 33, different signs, subtract. Bigger number gets the sign. Negative 25. X equals negative 25. All done. Two-step equations using the undo table. I did several of these on the last video, so I'm going to skip these for now and go on to equations with fractions. I also did some of these on the other video, and I will go ahead and do number, I guess I'll do number 14. X is our variable. Sorry, this is out of focus. First thing happening to x is times 2. Second thing is divided by 5. Third thing is add 10. The whole thing equals negative 90. Negative 90 minus 10 times 5 divided by 2. Negative 90 minus 10. Same signs, add and keep, so that's negative 100 times 5 is negative 500 divided by 2 is negative 250. Okay, the next section is distributive property. I'm going to do number 18. I see a minus sign here, so I'm going to add the opposite. So now I have 7 times 2x and 7 times a negative 4. Seven times 2x is 14x plus 7 times a negative 4 is negative 28 equals 28. Now I can use an undo table. X times 14 minus 28, remember use the sign on the number, equals 28. That equals 56 divided by 14, and that equals 4. Okay, on the back, I will do number 22. First, look for combining like terms. I see a 5x and a negative 2x. Let's add the opposite here. So 5x plus a negative 2x is like 5 minus 2, which is 3x. And I have plus 4 equals 40, ready for an undo table. Number 24. Here I'm going to add the opposite. And when I don't have a number in front of the x, you know there's a 1 there. So I have a negative 1x and a positive 6x. So I can combine those. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5x. And I can combine a 5 and a positive 3, so that's plus 8 equals 43. undo table. (43 minus 8 is 35, divided by 5. Gosh, this is blurry. I'm so sorry. 7. Okay, let's go down to the last section. Variables on both sides of the equal sign. Remember, we just need to move all of our variables on one side and our constants on the other. It doesn't matter which side you go to. The trick is just to have all the x's together on one side and the constants on the other. So I'm going to subtract 15x from both sides. That will keep my x's positive. This cancels out equals 0. So I'm left with negative 8. Nothing happened there. Equals 16x plus 24. Now I can use an undo table. Times 16 plus 24 equals negative 8. Negative 8 plus negative 24. Add, same signs, add and keep. So negative 32 divided by 16 is negative 2. Number 36. Distributive property. 5 times 1 and 5 times x. 5 plus 5x equals 6 times 2 and 6 times x, so 12 plus 6x. Now I need to get variables on one side. I'll subtract 5x from both sides. Keeps my x positive. So that leaves me with 5 equals 12 plus x. Undo table. First thing happening to x is times 1. Then plus 12 equals 5. Five minus 12 is negative 7. Divided by 1, so negative 7. Alright guys, we'll do the rest of these in class. I hope that helped.